Singapore's supply of treated water is coming under increasing cost pressure. The National Water Agency cites costs like energy and construction, which have gone up by at least 35% since 2017. Specifically, the price of building the second phase of the used water system has doubled compared to the cost of the first phase. Rebecca Mateo with this report.
Singapore's Tuas Water Reclamation Plant plans to turn on its taps by 2026 to quench the nation's thirst in homes and industry. It's part of a mega project to tunnel and treat used water. But the road to completion is already proving costlier than planned.
The price of operating a system will fluctuate with the price of energy, but also the price of raw materials. Be it steel or concrete, and of course the price of labor is in flux. So it's very difficult to predict far in the future what something's actually going to cost.
Supply chain disruptions and geopolitical friction have ignited costs. PUB says energy prices have gone up 37% in the last 6 years, peaking at 50 at one point. Chemical costs have risen by 33% as well. These are key materials used in the treatment processes to ensure the quality of the water. And construction costs are also up by 35%. For example, pipeline construction alone costs 70% more since 2017 from using a less intrusive method. Higher construction and manpower costs have doubled the cost of building the second phase of the deep tunnel sewerage system to some $6.5 billion compared to the first phase. For example, the cost of just constructing deep tunnels in phase 2 has more than tripled. Now this even as the National Water Agency has looked at ways to be more energy efficient and to optimize water treatment processes. The Tuas project is designed to generate 80% of its energy needs. It can also increase the production rate of new water without using more energy. Smart tech is also used, for example, to optimize maintenance. In addition, the plant is co-located with Singapore's integrated used water and solid waste treatment facility. That means sludge and food waste from one side can be converted into biogas to produce energy for both facilities. But cost pressure is also coming from surging demand that's projected to double in the next 40 years or so as population size and industrial needs grow. Professor Snyder says maximizing the number of times reclaimed water is recycled is key to meet demand.
I think closing that loop as best we can to keep the amount of water that we lose or discharge to the ocean to a minimum, it's good for the environment and it's good for the country in terms of having a sustainable supply. So as we grow, I think the amount of reclamation of water that we do should be proportional.
Diversifying water sources has been a key thrust in ensuring water security in Singapore. High-grade reclaimed water is one of the ways.